Chase Sapphire Preferred. You spend your whole life trying to figure out which Chase credit card is the best. Is it Chase Sapphire Preferred? Is it even Chase Sapphire Reserve? Is it even worth all the hype? What's up guys, it's Brandon, this is BZ Investing, and in today's video I will be giving you my honest review of the Chase Sapphire Preferred. We'll be talking about the benefits of this card, the point multipliers of this card, the extra travel benefits, wink wink. We'll be getting into everything. And at the end, we will compare it to the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited and why maybe that you don't need the Chase Sapphire Reserve. But first, we need to talk about the most important benefit, the main reason why I have this credit card and the main reason why it will not leave my wallet. And it is simply because of the 25% more value on travel. Yes, it's a beast. And let's get into it. Brandon, so what do you mean when you say 25% more value on travel? Well, okay, let me tell you this. Here's an example. You have $1,000 worth of points, so 100,000 membership points, okay? Normally that 100,000 points will be worth $1,000, right? For like a statement credit, etc. But this 25% more value turns that $1,000 into $1,250 when you redeem it for travel. Mind blown, okay? Like just imagine your brain and just exploding like, oh. And then you're wondering like, okay, like what does that even mean, bruh? Now the reason why that this benefit is so advantageous is because if you have the Chase Freedom Flex or the Chase Freedom Unlimited, for example, and you accrue points, right, over time through purchases, months go by, even years go by, and then you just think one day, Sally, wife, let's go take a trip. Let's go out of state. Let's go out of the country. And then you're wondering, oh, damn, we could afford this if I had all my membership points with the Chase Sapphire Preferred, because then I can use that 25% gimmick that Brandon was talking about. So if you have those cards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex, you can transfer those membership points into your Chase Sapphire Preferred account. So then you have all the points coming in together, allowing you to use all your points for travel. Yes, it is a masterpiece of a benefit. It is an ultimate hack. That's why people recommend the Chase Trifecta. Yes, you can have that benefit with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and it's actually not 25% more value, it's 50% more value. But let me just say, and this is the only thing I'm going to say about the Chase Sapphire Reserve, is the annual fee. And that annual fee is just, it's $550. Yeah, I would click off the video too if I was talking about that damn card. So that is the number one reason to have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So now you're wondering like, gosh, damn, that's all I need to hear. I'm about to get that baby right now. Oh, wait, chill, bruh. They also have masterful point multipliers. You get 5 times the amount of points on travel purchases through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. You also get 2 times the amount of points for all other travel purchases, such as airfare, cabs, bus, you name it. You also get 3 times the amount of points on online grocery purchases, excluding places like Walmart and Target and other wholesale clubs. Yes, I know. But wait, you also get 3 times the amount of points on dining purchases at restaurants. You can just taste that food. You're just getting all that money back for eating your best foods. I mean, now a couple of other categories, you get 3 times the amount of points on select streaming services. Could come in handy. And for those miscellaneous point multipliers, you get 5 times the amount of points on Peloton purchases. Yeah, it's your first time hearing about it. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Also a little bonus, as of this recording, they are offering a 10% anniversary boost, which means for all the purchases that you made in the past year, they are giving you 10% more points. Just free points for all the purchases that you made. So for example, if you made $25,000 worth of purchases in the past year, you will get 2,500 bonus points just for free, just because Chase loves you. Don't think that's weird. It's kind of weird. Now again, let me just say that this Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card does have an annual fee of $95. It isn't perfect, but after all the benefits and the point multipliers that I've talked about, you can get a sense of why it is such $95, okay? Now for credits, I found that there is a $50 annual hotel credit So essentially, right, if you're an avid traveler, you can bump that $95 annual fee down by $50. So, you know, there's that. So for some people, it's not $95, and not just because of this credit. There's other benefits that I can basically say I gained more value throughout the year than what the $95 annual fee came out to be. So, you know, take that. All right, so I know there's gotta be questions out there about, Brandon, let's be real, man. Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve? Which travel credit card do I really need? I mean, bro, I just need some help. Well, bro, I got you. Let me just say that the Chase Sapphire Reserve, it is a $550 annual fee credit card. Need I say more? No, but really though, once you get into those high annual fee credit cards, such as the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you have to compare it to its counterpart, such as maybe the American Express Platinum card, which has a $695 annual fee. So they're pretty close. And then you have to start thinking about, well, which travel credit card gives me the most benefits, yada, yada, yada. This video is not tailored for that subject. That can be another video. But I'm just telling you, that's what you should be comparing to, and not the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. I swear, I get these names mixed up every time. What you should be asking yourself is, do I need the Chase Sapphire Preferred, or can I get by with something like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Chase Freedom Flex? And just like I said earlier in the video, it is great if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred combined with something like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Chase Freedom Flex, because you can transfer points and it works to your benefit. Wait, well, bang. I don't know why, I just felt like I had to do that, you know. I don't want to make it seem like I don't got the car, guys. I'm not that guy, okay? Now, if you're not someone that travels a lot, and then you have that question like, bro, do I need the Chase Sapphire Preferred, or can I get by with the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Chase Freedom Flex? If you're not someone that travels a lot and you won't use this benefit, then maybe the 25% more value on travel doesn't make sense, okay? You can get a lot of benefits with the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex. That will be a separate video coming soon. So if anything that you get from this video, when in doubt, get the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And that is everything that you need to know about the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And check out this video where I tell you what are my top 4 best credit cards to have. Peace.